Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the 4 points bending of the RUC beam, rubberized concrete beam, and also reinforced with bar and S-strip. Let me just check the concrete. This is the rubberized concrete. You can see that S-stress. The concrete mixed by uh, the ingredients of the tires, you know, and tires or rubber, both is the same thing. So this is the stress for the rubberized concrete under bending test. This is tensile damage and stiffness degradation. And you want to know that the compression capacity or compressive behavior of the rubberized concrete is too weak, but the ductility is too better. It can deform more than normal concrete. So the another things, let me to remove this parts. See, this is the steel reinforcement inside the rubberized concrete. And also the important thing here is a force displacement diagram for this structure. You can see zero point 0.3 meganewton or 300 kilonewton is the maximum capacity, and after that we have decreasing capacity. And if we keep the displacement, it will fail. So if you need to model the rubberized concrete beam or column or wall or shear wall, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial, or you can search it here and then you will find it, this title. Click on the title or both sides, and then you will have a short explanation about the geometry and assembly. After that, the material model, the step interaction load, and then the result as figures. You can see them here. There are three important points here. The file contains here in English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you can pay with that. If you haven't, you can use PayPal, Master, or Visa card. It is a better way to use PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.